How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get to look at some August Ipsy bags. Now I just have the standard and the ultimate. I have not yet seen plus, so I don't know what's going on with that, why they're holding off on that bag. But I do have those two bags to show you, and I also got some new spoilers for the August Ultimate box. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on new spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full July BoxyCharm spoilers, premium and base box. Well, thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, hi, hun. Hope you're doing well. Oh, Priscilla, I'm doing all right, honey. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for asking. And I really appreciate you having your bell set and always coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now, first thing is first. Let's go ahead and get a look at these bags. So the first one, again, is the standard bag. Now, it looks like they're going with the holographic theme this time. This looks like silver, and it's got some blues and yellows and probably other shades in there, and you just can't see them in this picture. Now, again, I don't have plus bag. I don't know why they're holding off on that. I don't know. I guess we could try to guess. Now next, let's look at the ultimate bag. Now this one, again, holographic. This is leaning more toward the gold holographic look. So again, I have no idea why they're not letting us see the plus bag yet. But I do have some more spoilers right there in that picture for the ultimate. Now some of them, y'all, I tried to blow this picture up and I still can't see the products. But the ones we already know about are in this picture as well. So let's go ahead and name those off. So the first thing is the 111 Skin ATP Cryo Booster. Then the Dolce Freematic Limited Edition Smoky Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Or palette, whatever. It kind of looks like it's got face powder. And then next is the Payot Paris Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glace, something like that, y'all. Next is the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush. Now, the new spoilers that I could see in there is the Generation Clay Charcoal Clay Mask. Alright, guys, so the next things I'm going to name off, you know, I blew this picture up, and it's all I could find on them is this one picture. So, we're just going to have to kind of guess the rest of the stuff. So we do see something from Tan, and it's in that green and white bottle. Now, they make a lot of lotions. I think they got a couple of masks, of face masks. So I'm not sure if this is a lotion, face mask, or whatever. But, you know, I was going to show you the new stuff anyways, even though I can't see them. Now, the next thing that I see, and I was able to pull this one up. This is Juliet Has a Gun. This is like a vanilla vibes perfume is what it is. And then, of course, we see that Beauty For Real High Def Mascara. That is a repeat item. I do remember seeing that. As well as that Ofra Cosmetics and Madison Miller Blush and Highlight Palette right there. That is also a repeat. And then we see a Feel Beauty product. Now, it's in a rose-colored tube, and y'all, I couldn't find nothing on this, not on their Instagram, not on Google, not anywhere. And again, this is like a skincare brand, so they got a lot of cleansers, they got a lot of masks, and I think they even have a couple of lip products like lip balms and stuff like that. But I couldn't find this exact product anywhere, and again, I can't read it. I tried to blow it up. And the next thing that we see is in this blue and white tube. Now, y'all, I couldn't even see what brand was on this thing. This or that bottle next. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. Anyways, this it could be a lotion, it could be a hair mask, it could be whatever. I don't even know what brand it is. And then the last thing that we see is that, again, a spray bottle right here. Now, I believe I blew it up enough to see the word hair mist. But as for what brand and what kind of hair mist, I don't know. So hopefully we'll find out about that stuff soon. And of course, as soon as I see anything else about this stuff, I'll let you guys know. And if you recognize any of these items, I couldn't find anywhere, let us know down in the comments section what they are. So let me know what you think about these items. And again, if you recognize any of the ones that I couldn't read the brand or anything, let us know down below in the comments section. And what are you thinking of the bags? Oh, and another thing, y'all, I do this every month. I don't know why I forgot to do it this month. Let's compare this bag. Well, we'll do the regular one, I guess, with last year's standard bag. Now, if you remember, I remember this bag being like a really dark green. It looks black in this picture. And it's got the, like, diamond texture, like it's... Anyways, this was the bag last year. And so, compared to the bag this year, do you think they done better? Do you like last year's bag better? So, let me know about that. Y'all know I do this every month. I compare the bag to the year before. And, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And, as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Just Josie. Just Josie says, when did Boxy go full on Ipsy? Well, Josie, honey, they've been doing that for quite a while, from what I've seen. Nah, Ipsy's alright. I like them both, really. That's why I do both spoilers. But, Josie, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yet they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.